vodka, pineapple, and champagne. Jeez.
What can I say about this drink except I love the name Flirtini. And I love the way that Carrie says it. Flirtini. Vodka, pineapple, and champagne. Flirtini. Like, I feel like you always have to do this when you say it. It's so cute. And the weather's getting so nice in New York. I need something to make me pretend that I'm on top of a rooftop party like she was there, or by a pool somewhere sipping this. I don't know. I need this to transport me somewhere where I can look at everyone else and we can do Flirtini together. It's really easy. It's really delicious. Let's just do it. So we're gonna do 1 ounce of vodka. There we go. Ooh, ooh, ooh. There you go. You can do 1.5 ounces or 2. It just depends. I don't want to taste too much of the vodka, so I'm just doing 1 ounce of vodka. And I have here 1.5 ounces of pineapple juice. And then the rest you just fill with your champagne or Prosecco, whatever you have. And as far up as you want. And that's it. That's the Flirtini. It's so easy, so quick. You can make it for a batch for people whenever we get to be with people, or for yourself, who cares? And there you have it, summer in a glass. Perfect. Cheers.
Honey, I'm way past a Flirtini. I need a Flirtini.